Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Quickly settle down yourself. Is the screen visible? Am I audible? Do let me know in the chat box.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly, dear. Just waiting for 2 minutes so that some more students can join us. Yes, Yasha. Please turn on your cameras, dear. Please turn on the cameras. We shall just wait for 2 more minutes so that some more students can join us. Till then, you can go through the topic that we did in the last class. Please go through the topics that we did in the last class. We were doing square and square roots, right? The same topic we shall continue today. Quickly settle down yourself and we shall start in just few seconds.
Ma'am,
Yes? Yes, Ajish?
ma'am, can you explain decimal, finding the square root of decimal?
Yes, for sure, beta. Let me start with that particular question. Okay. Let me start with that. Chapter is square and square roots, and today we are going to focus on square roots, right? We are going to focus on square roots. And after this, we will be doing cube and cube roots as well. Today, we will be doing previous year questions, some previous year questions related with the square roots, as well as some practice question also. As Ajish said, here you go. The very first question related with point one, okay?
No, ma'am, I was telling that, can you explain again?
Yes, for sure. I will explain it. But before that, I would like you to answer. Okay? Before that, I would like you to answer. I shall explain this, but before that, I would like you to answer. Yes, Prajwal, you have raised your hand here. Prajwal?
Quickly raised my hand.
Okay, dear. Here you go. The very first question. Find the square root of 10.24. 10.24. Let me see how many of you give me the correct answer. Okay, Bhargav, Tejas, Yasha, and Yashashwini. Very good, dear. Rest everyone wrong. Okay, let's see and let's learn. Let's see and let's learn. See, I have 10.24, right? I have to take out the square of 10.24. Sure, I shall forget that there is point. Just forget the point. Remove the point. So I will get 100 in the denominator because after the point I have 2 digits, right? After the points I have 2 digits, so 100 in the denominator. Now calculate the square root of 10,024 and this 100. Okay, so 100 I know it's 10. Square root of 100 I know it's 10. 10 into 10 is 100. Now for this 1024, the last digit is 4, right? If the last digit is 4, then my last digit would either be 8 or 2. If last digit is 4, my last digit of my answer would be either 8 or 4, because 8 is 64 and 2 2s are 4. Now I will cut this place, the tens one. I am left with what? I am left with 10. 10 comes between the square of 3 and 4, right? Because 3 3s are 9 and 4 4s are 16. That means this 10, it comes between the square of 3 and 4. So I can say that my answer is either 38 or 32. I shall take the lesser digit, that is 3. So my answer is either 38 or 32. Why to go for further calculation? Why to go for further calculation? I know that I have 32, 42, 52, right? In the options. So for sure, 32 would be my answer. 3.2. That is option A. That is option A. Don't go for the further calculation. Yes, Ajish?
Ma'am didn't understand.
Which step you did not understand, Ajish?
Ma'am, after calculating this square root of 100.
Okay. You asked me the point one. You asked me the doubt related with the point one. Tell me, Ajish, that do you know to calculate the square root without point?
No, ma'am.
Did you watch the recordings? Once again.
No, ma'am.
Very good, beta. If you are facing problem in certain topic, beta, I asked everyone, not only you, but I asked everyone that please watch the recordings. If you watch the recordings, it would help you to revise only. But you think that coming in the class and one question I will repeat again and again and again. So it will be a time waste for you as well and for the rest of the students also, Ajish. Okay, let me explain this for the one last time. 1024 ka square you have to calculate. See the last digit. Last digit is 4. That means my unit place will be either 8 or 2, because 8 8s are 64 and 2 2s are 4. So last digit is for sure 2 or 8. And then you will cut the digit at 10's place. You are left with what? 10. 10 comes between the square of which two numbers? So 10 comes between 3 ka square, that is 9. 4 ka square, that is 15. So you will take the smaller one, that is 3. So my answer for sure, it is 38 or 32. For sure, 38 or 32. When I look at options, I don't have 38. I have only 32. 3.2. I only have 32. That means 32. 3.2 will be my answer. Now, if 38 was also given, for example, if 38 was also given here, 3.8 was also given, then what should we have done? In that case, you could have calculated the square of the middle digit. If it is 38 and 32, then the middle digit in the line of 30s will be 35. So you could have calculated the square of 35. 5 into 5 is 25. Left with 3. After 3 we have 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 to 5. Now see, your question is greater than or less than this result. So my question 10 to 4 is less than the result. So lesser digit would be my answer, 32. Yes, Nandani?
Did 38 and 32 came from?
Pardon, Nandani, please.
From where did 38 and 32 came from?
This is clear that if the last digit is 4, my answer would have 8 or 2 at the end. Is this clear, Nandani? Yes? Okay. So now after that, you will forget the tens place. Cut that digit at the tens place. The number which is less. So I have 10 left. You have to see that this 10 comes between which two square numbers. Okay? Not like, ma'am, 10 comes between 9 and 11. No. 10 comes between which two square numbers. So, if I know the square, I know that this 10 comes between 3 ka square, that is 9, 4 ka square, 16. It comes between 9 and 16. So, I will take the lesser digit, that is 3. So, my answer would be either 38 or 32. Got it, Nandani? Where did we get 32 and 38?
Yes, ma'am.
Ajish, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. We shall practice more so that it's easy for you. Just give me a second. I have one question for you. Here you go. You can answer this in poll. 0.225 divided 0.00121. And here you go. Answer in poll, everyone. Let me see. Okay. Prajwal, Yashashwini, Prisha, Yasha, Bhargav, Utkarsh. Very good, dear. Correct. And 3 wrong. Yes, Magnesh. Yes, Magnesh. Oh, it was Utkarsh. Yes, Utkarsh. Your mic is off, dear.
Ma'am, I wasn't that, but I wanted to say something else.
Tell me, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, I did nothing but got out, means point को उड़ा दिया, and then found the squares, in which squares it comes, and then saw that 15, 150 and 11 are there. So I clicked on that because 15 and 11 are there. That's why.
That means basically you have not done the whole solution. Okay, let's see how we will do it, dear. See, I have to calculate the square of 0.225, 0.00212, and then I have to divide them. So first thing I will do what? First thing what I am going to do is remove the decimals. But if I don't want to go for the solution, suppose if I don't want, I want कि मैम बस screen देख कर answer आ जाए हमारा. Only I see the screen and I pick the correct option. But this 99.99% this would be correct. What I'm telling you right now. 1% of the time, if the question is something else or tricky, so it might be wrong. But 99.99% this trick would work. What is the trick? So I have 2 to 5 here. I have 1 to 1 here, right? So 2 to 5, I know it is the square of what? 15. And 1 to 1 is the square of 11, right?
11.
2 to 5 is the square of 15. 1 to 1 is the square of 11. So when I see the options, I would say, acha, 15. So I don't know how, but by somehow 150 would have come at the numerator and 11 at the denominator. So I would click 150 by 11. And believe me, 99.99% of the time, it's correct. But still, we should learn how did we get our answer. Okay, so let's learn. It's 0.225 upon me 0.00121. First step is what, dear? First step is to remove the decimals, right? When I remove decimal from the numerator, so I have 1, 2, 3, 3 digits. So I will write 3 zeros in the denominator. When you remove the decimal from the numerator, you write zeros in the denominator. When you remove decimal from the denominator, you will write zeros in the numerator. So how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Any doubts in this step? Do raise your hand. Any doubt, anyone? In this step, do raise your hand. No one? Okay. Then let's move ahead. Now, see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. In the denominator, I have 3 zeros. So 3 zeros and 3 zeros, you can cancel out. 3 zeros cancelled out. Now what is left? I'm left with 2 to 5. 100, 1 to 1. And I have to find the square root of these. I have to find the square root. So this 2 to 5 will be 15 because 2 to 5 is the square root of 15. And up to 20, we can easily learn. So 2 to 5 is the square root of 15. 100 का square root is 10 and 121 का square root is 11. So my answer would be 115 upon 11. Any doubts, anyone? Do raise your hand, beta.
Ma'am, I knew that the answer will be option A, but I thought that it will be wrong.
It will be wrong.
Wrong.
No, beta. Option A is the correct one. Option A is the correct. Yes, Ajish?
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the short trick.
Which short trick, beta?
Ma'am, that you told first.
Previous question.
No, ma'am, जब ये question finish हुआ था,
Oh, I
Yeah,
got
before-
it. That without doing anything when you have to answer, right? Oh, that was just the gut feeling. Okay. And 99.99% it works. And what's that? I see 2 to 5 in the numerator, 1 to 1 in the denominator. So 2 to 5 is the square root of what? 15. And 1 to 1 is the square root of 11. So here I have 150 and 11. So option A. Got it? And why option A? Suppose there was something else also, like 150 by 9 was also there. या फिर 105 by 11 was there. So then what to do? So this is the particular process by which you will get 150 by 11. Any doubts, anyone? Yes, Ashwini. Yes,
Ma'am,
Ashwini.
how can 10 come there, ma'am?
10. Beta, I'm left with 100, right?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So square root of 100 is 10, beta.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
That's not
Yes. Anyone else? No? Okay, beta. If no, then let's move ahead to the next question. Next question is from Sanic School 2020. Next question is from previous year, that is Sanic School 2020. There we go.
Ma'am,
Yes, Magnesh?
ma'am, I didn't attend last year, so I don't know.
Oh, you were not there in the last class, year?
Yeah, ma'am.
Did you watch the recordings later for that
We
class?
should type it.
Ma'am, I forgot.
Beta, please do watch the recording once, and I would try to explain you in this class, but it would be really very difficult for you because you don't know how to calculate the square root. Okay, let's start the poll. If anyone is absent for any day by any chance, it's a simple request here. Do watch the recordings once. Do watch it. Okay, Nandini, Tejas, Yashashwini, and Trisha. Very good, dear. Correct. Rest wrong. Okay, let's see how we will do it. See, square root of 625 I have to calculate because this 25 I know it is the square root of 5. 196 also I know it is the square root of 14, right? Because up to 20 I asked you to learn, right? So 196, 14. 625 is also easy. It is the square of 25. But if you don't know how to calculate it, last digit is 5. So for sure, at the end, my answer would have 5. Cut the tens place. Now I have 6. I have 6. 6 comes between the square of what? 2 ka square and 3 ka square. Because 2 2s are 4 and 3 3s are 9. So 6 comes between 2 ka square and 3 ka square. We will take the smaller one. So 25 would be your answer. 25 will be your answer. And I know that rest ka square I have learned, right? So I can write 625 ka root under I can write 25 upon my 11 into 14 upon me. 25 ka root under I can write as 5 and 11 same. 196 ka square root is 14. Mognesh, this was in the last class. I wrote the square root of 1 to 20 and I asked each one of you to learn it, right? In the very first class of square and square. So I know 25, 625 ka square root. And then this 25 ka square root, 196 ka square root is 14. Now you will just simplify it. This 14 and 14 cut. 11 and 11 cut. 5 1 is 5 and 5 into 5 is 25. 5 1s are 5 and 5 into 5 is 25. So my answer is, I'm left with only 5. 5 is my answer. That is option. Please do raise your hand if you have any doubts. Until then, you can note it down as well. Take the screenshot. Yes, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, in 30 seconds I can't solve it. Can you give 1 minute or 45 seconds?
See, I don't have a timer for that beta, 45 seconds. I cannot make the timer myself, okay? Yes, Yashashwini. Done? Okay. So I could not do that beta. Yes, Yasha.
Ma'am, the screen is black.
Beta, I think there might be some network issue. Please exit and rejoin here. Yasha, exit and rejoin. Okay, if your doubts, once you tell me your doubts, please lower down your hand. First, lower down your hand here. Okay, very good there. Okay, let's move to the next one. And this particular question is from 2021 JNV. All these are previous year questions here. And here you go. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I didn't understand the previous question. Ma'am.
Ajish, I asked you, I waited for 1 minute here. I asked each one of you that if you have any doubts, please do raise your hand. But you didn't raise your hand, Ajish. Let's move to the next question, Ajish. I shall explain you that afterwards. I always wait for each one of you tell me that if you have any doubts, dear Ajish. But you didn't raise your hand. पलक जी कुछ ज्यादा जल्दी नहीं आ गए आप आज क्लास में? Utkarsh, this time I have given you 1 minute. Even now, if you don't answer me, then you see. Acha. Utkarsh is taking 5.9 seconds and he is asking me to give 1 minute. Okay, Yasha, Tejas, Yashashwini, first three to answer me. Very good. Utkarsh, Mognish, Nandini, Vivansh, Prajwal, you have given me the correct answer. Almost 90% of the class is giving me the correct answer. Very good, dear. Very good. Okay, let's see and let's learn. I have x upon 25 is equal to 196 upon x, right? Okay. Please pay attention, everyone. Yes, Utkarsh? Utkarsh, any doubts?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, actually my screen went black and I left the class. That's why I answered anything
You
at that time.
wow. किस्मत हो तो उत्कर्ष जैसे.
No, ma'am. At that time also I found the answer. At that time also I was giving 70 only.
Okay, beta. Okay. Let's see. Okay, see, beta. See, everyone. So, whenever you have this type of question, like x upon 25 into 196 upon x, so the first step is cross multiplication. That means this x should be multiplied by this x, and this 196
Square.
should be multiplied by this 25. Yes?
X square.
Yes, beta, x square. So, x into x is x square is equal to 196 into 25. Now, this is x square, right? When you remove this square, everyone, when you remove this square moves to the other side of the 0 becomes square root. Like we have learned now that plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, multiplication becomes divide, and divide becomes multiply when it is shifted to the other side of the equals to. Now, if I have to shift this square to the other side of the equal to, this square would become square root. Please raise your hand if you want to say anything, okay? And then I shall allow you to say. So, 196 into 25. And you have to find the square root of this. You have to find the square root of this. 196, I know it is 14. We have learned square root of 196 is 14. And 25 ka square root is what? 5. 5 into 5 is 25. So my answer would be 14 into 5. That is 7. Okay, 70 would be my answer. Yes, Falak?
I did not
How will you get it, Falak? You were 30 minutes late in the class. Not 1 minute, 2 minutes, 10 minutes. You are 30 minutes late in the class.
Ma'am, I was
Yes, ma'am.
sleeping.
Yes,
That's why.
Who is it? I think it's yes, Melanie. Yes, dear. Melanie. Melanie, beta, please ask your doubt.
Ma'am,
Okay, anyone else? Please raise your hand before saying something. I could not get who is saying. Yes, Falak. Yes, Falak.
Ma'am, I did not get it.
Got it. Anyone else who has any doubt? Anyone else who has any doubt there? Ajish? Ajish, did you get it? Ajish, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you get it? Ajish is not saying anything. I think he was not sincere enough for this question. Right, Ajish? Okay, see. Once again, we shall learn this. X upon 25 is equal to 196 upon x. So whenever you have this kind of question, you cross multiply. This x shall be multiplied by this x. So x into x becomes x square. And this 196 multiplied by 25. Now if I have to remove this 2, that is square, this square move to the other side of the equals to becomes square root. So I will have square root under 196 into 25. 196 is the square root for 40. We have learned it. And 25 is the square root of 5. So 14 into 5 is 70, my answer. 14 into 5, 70 is my answer. Okay, one more to go. But many more to go. But yes, yes, Ashwini.
Ma'am, you're glitching, ma'am.
Only for you or everyone? Okay, let me see. Let me check. Nandini, can you see me? Glitching? Okay, give me a second. If it's glitching, give me a second, dear. Give me a second.
I'm not very much.
Hope now it's good. Yes, Ashwini? Okay now?
Yes, ma'am, I can see you.
Ma'am, the screen is black.
The screen is black.
Yes, but
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am,
you're still
black.
glitching there, ma'am.
Is it okay now? Is it okay now?
No, ma'am. It's black.
Okay.
Now my
wait,
screen
wait a
is
second.
black, ma'am.
Mine is also black, ma'am.
Ma'am's left.
Mine is black.
Ma'am's gone. Ma'am, the screen is black.
Come and see.
Ma'am's gone.
Ma'am's screen is not visible.
No, I think ma'am got it and now even my screen is not working. Ma'am, I think teachment is not working.
Is it
Now
now?
ma'am. Yes,
Okay, beta. You can turn off the
glitching.
mic. Still glitching. Okay, how many of you cannot see
Your
my
voice
screen
is not
properly? How many of you cannot see my screen properly? Nandini, Tejas, Bhargav, Yashashwini. You cannot see my screen properly. Okay, just give me a second.
Ma'am, nor can I see your screen.
Ma'am.
Ma'am, I can also see the screen now, ma'am.
Ma'am, your screen is black for me.
Yes,
Ma'am, now your screen is completely black.
For those whose screen is black, I would request please exit and rejoin. For those 2-3 students for whom the screen is black, please exit and rejoin. Exit and rejoin, dear.
Now it's visible.
Okay, dear.
For me also it's visible.
Okay, beta. Let's move ahead. Then, if it's visible. And this is also the previous year question of Sainik School. Okay. And here you go. You can answer me in bold. You can answer me in bold. Let me see. Nandini, Bhargav, Tejas, Prasha, Palak, and Yashashwini. Very good, dear. Rest 7 of you wrong. Okay. Let us learn, dear. Let us learn.
Ma'am, misclick.
See, it's 1089, and this divided means what? This divided means by. Divided means by. So you can write 1089 upon may 121. Right? 1089 upon may 121. Now you have to find out what? Square root of 1089. Because 121 ka square root is 11. We know that. We have learned it and done so many of them. But I don't know the square root for 1089. So I will use the short trick. And what I taught you was, I have 1089, right? Last digit is 9. If last digit is 9, then for sure at the end my answer would be 3 or 7. My answer would be 3 or 7. Now, tens place, cut. I'm left with what? I'm left with 10. This 10 comes between what? This 10 comes between 3 ka square and 4 ka square. 10 comes between 3 ka square and 4 ka square. So, I will take the smaller one, that is 3. My answer would either be 33 or 37. My answer is either I would really request you to please raise your hand before saying something. My answer would be either 33 or 37. Okay? And which digit is my answer for that? I will take out the square of what? 35, because it is in the line of 30s. So I shall take out the square of 35. 35 ka square is how much? 1225. I have calculated many times. 5 into 5, 25. 3 into 4, 12. Now check is your answer greater or less? So my question, that is 1089, it is less than the result. If it is less, so I will take the lesser digit, that is 33 as my answer. Yes, do tell me, Ajish.
मैम मैंने वैसे थिंक किया कि 1809 में लास्ट डिजिट 9 है और वो 3 टेबल में आता है और वो सेकंड वन में 21 है तो वो भी 3 टेबल में आता है। तो वैसे मैं 3 को क्लिक करने गया था पर मैंने गलती से 13 को क्लिक कर लिया।
Okay, but beta, every time that trick doesn't work. Okay, every time that doesn't work. So I would request you to solve it and see. So 33 by 11 I have. Just simplify it. 11 1 is 11 and 11 into 3 is 33. 3 will be my answer. That is option A. Yes, Bhargav, you have raised your hand here.
By mistake.
By mistake, you raised your hand. Okay. So anyone else? Any doubts? No? Do raise your hand if anyone has any doubt in this particular question. Yes, Prisha?
Ma'am, I not understand in last step, ma'am.
Last step, beta, when it was 33 by 11, okay. So 33 by 11, you will simplify there. So 11 1 is 11 and 11 into 3 is 33. So you will get 3 as your answer. Okay. Okay, Prisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pala?
Voice is glitching and you are also glitching.
So there might be some network issues from your side, Falak, because if it's happening to 1 or 2 students, then I don't think there is network issue from my side. Okay, quickly do it there. Moving to the next question. I have some previous year questions in this. Give me a second. Yes. Here it is. Previous year questions.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Giving you questions related with previous year question, okay? This is from the Sanic school, okay? Previous year question of Sanic school. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, Nandini, Falak, and Prisha. Rest strong. Okay, let's see, beta, how we will do it. Let's see. You have to find the square root of what? 5 whole 19 upon 25, right? The very first step is convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Mixed fraction ko you will convert into improper fraction. Denominator remains the same, that is 25. Denominator remains the same, that is 25. Now, in order to find the numerator, you will multiply this 25 by this 5. So 25 into 5 is 125. And then you will add this 19 into 125. So 125 plus 19 is 144. So first step, very easy. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. I got what? 144 upon 125. You have to find the square root for this. So 144, I know. Square of what? 12, because I have learned it. And 25 is the square root of what? 5. 12 by 5. Now, in the options, each option is in what? Mixed fraction. So convert this 12 by 5 into mixed fraction. How to convert? So you will divide this 12 by 5. 5 twos are 10. Remainder is 2. Denominator remains the same. Okay, denominator remains the same. This 2, which is the quotient, 2, which is the quotient, is written in the side, and the remainder is written at the top. So 2 whole 2 by 5. That is option B is my answer. 2 whole 2 by 5. Option B is my answer. Yes, Ajish? Yes, Rita?
It was
Yes, Ajish?
मैम जब आंसर्स दिखाया था तब उसमें लिखा था कि आंसर
Ajish, I think there is some network issue from your side. I'm not able to get you. Just do tell me that. Do you have any doubt in this particular question? No? Okay. Anyone else? Any doubt in this particular question? Yes, Bhargav? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, beta. Actually, you turned on your mic. Okay, dear. So if you have no doubts in this, so let's wind up here. But in the next class, the same concept will be followed, but not for the square, for the cubes. Okay. Now the upcoming 2 chapters are interrelated. Like you studied square and square roots, then cube and cube roots, then surds and indices. All the 3 chapters are interrelated. So I would request you to please don't miss any class. If by chance any emergency happens and you miss any class, so please watch the recordings and be back in the class so that you don't face any problem. Okay? And that's it for today, everyone. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me, everyone. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, 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 bye.